We picked up this desk for $20 on Facebook Marketplace. It's in great structural condition, but it's a little worn and it's got this white aged finish inside. So we're gonna freshen up the entire piece with some black oil wax. So mostly this piece is just dusty, so we've got some Lysol wipes and we're gonna wipe it down, remove any dust or grime before we put the oil wax on.
Since we're doing oil wax, we're not super worried about any existing oils or greases or anything on there. We don't have to get it ready to paint. The oil wax should be fine with that.
You're gonna wanna shake your oil wax really good. This is the black oil wax from Sweet Pickins. It's all natural. When I'm applying this, I like to use chip brushes and I pour it in a separate container so I don't contaminate the whole jar of oil wax depending on what's on my piece. And then I just brush it on. Apply liberally, don't let it pool anywhere. And then it's gonna sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you're gonna wipe it off and then take a clean rag a second time and wipe off any remaining oil wax. And then you're good to go. Hoping to fix this white part here and kind of even out the tones of this. Give it a new lustrous finish.
Looking at the piece here, we're pretty sure that this is addition and not original to it. So if we can get it to match the coloration of the wood, great. If not, it may have to come out. We always say it looks worse before it looks better. This is one of those pieces where we ourselves are like, should we have tried this? But we're too far into it now, so we're going.
We're committed now.
This part here is an addition. It's definitely not original to the piece. It's got some kind of weird, like varnish stain thing on it going on, and it's orangey. So we're just gonna pull it out and get rid of it.
So it's kind of a big goopy mess on a project this big, I'm not gonna lie. But after it's been sitting for about 15-20 minutes, you're just gonna take a old sock or a lint-free rag. You're gonna pull this oil wax off and it will be darker underneath, and when it dries, it'll have it like a satin finish. So if your wood was old and dry and cracked, it's gonna really bring back that pretty original finish. And it's not gonna be super shiny, just shiny enough to look good. I do not wash the rags afterwards, I just throw them away. And I'm also careful to get any of the chip brush hairs that may have fallen off of my chip brush and make sure they're not still on my piece.
Even after wiping it off, it's gonna feel kind of sticky for a little while and oily. You gotta give it about 24 hours to cure up.
This turned out exactly the way we wanted. The black oil wax evened everything out, took care of the white part in here that had oxidized over the years. It even managed to darken up the hardboard backer, and it gave it an overall aged look without covering up the beautiful tiger's oak. And I'm really wanting to incorporate more woods into my space this year, so we're gonna keep this natural. We paid 20 bucks for it and we'll sell it for 145.
Taking the shelf out of the inside was a necessity. It was an add-on, it wasn't original to the piece anyway, and the wood tones were all wrong, so we just got rid of it. So now we feel like it's more functional, and for a modern desk, you can easily fit a laptop, and we have the drawers down in here still, so if someone wanted to use them up top to hold pencils or pens or whatever, they could.
It's not like a gel stain. It won't completely change the color of your piece. It'll just slightly change the tone and give it a new finish. In 24 hours, This will be a satin hard finish ready to go. If you want to achieve this look on an antique piece that you're looking to just bring out the natural wood tones in, you can go to jamirayvintage.com and pick up some black oil wax. We also carry it in dark and clear depending on the tone that you're looking for.
Comment below, did you like it better before with just the natural age that it had, or do you like the refresh the black oil wax gave it?
If your friends like restoration, be sure to share this video, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.